Many conferences here in Las Vegas have been canceled, and some businesses are hurting while others are thriving. 13 Action News reporter Leah Pizzetti spoke to a cleaning service seeing an uptick in calls.
The number one point health officials are hitting home is cleanliness. So cleaning businesses are seeing an increase in calls for service. Mayberrys Maids employees are hard at work cleaning this bathroom. And recently, their workload has increased.
We've seen an uptick where they've asked us to come maybe 2 or 3 times a week.
Owner and manager Gil Saramarco says their commercial calls are going up, especially to places like offices and apartment gyms. And he says right now you can also help yourself.
If you have a down moment, you should take the time to just take a disinfectant. And that could be just an over-the-counter or something you find in the shopping, your local shopping market to disinfect the countertop. You can do that very easily.
Everything from wiping down those busy counter spaces to getting rid of hand towels.
So if you have either the air dry or disposable towels, you're right on. If you have anything else where you have a towel that's in your restroom that's being used over and over again, you should please get rid of that right away.
His business uses a treatment called cold fogging. This fills a room with disinfectant, getting in hard-to-reach places. In this video, they're cleaning a daycare.
Every nook and cranny. There's just no other way to say other than to permeate into like littlest places that there is.
He also suggests parents check with schools to make sure they're taking steps like this.
How often are they sanitizing? When's the last time that they had somebody come in and do a complete top-to-bottom disinfection? How often do they have their cleaning service come?
And bottom line, these cleaning steps are proactive, which is key to stopping the spread of any virus. Leah Pizzetti, 13 Action News.